So today we are to study the problems or examples on the derivatives of composite functions. Derivatives of composite functions. So derivatives of composite functions by chain rule. So already we have studied the procedure. Again, if y is equal to f of g into h of x, so y is the composite function of x, then dy by dx is equal to so assume this totally x, the u, then what derivative f of u, f dash of u is nothing but g of h of x. Then you know chain rule is dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dv into dv by dx and so on. So of x. Now we have to find du by dv. So here in the g of h of x, assume the h of x is v. So g of v, the derivative of g of v is g dash of v. V is h of x. So then now find derivative of the v, that is h of x. So what is derivative of h of x is h dash of x. So like this we can find the derivative of composite functions by using chain rule. On this example on this, suppose first example is if y is equal to sine of the cos of tan x. So then we have to find the dy by dx. So we differentiate these with respect to x. Differentiate means differentiation is nothing but the process of finding derivatives. Of function. Derivatives of a function. That is nothing but differentiation. So differentiating a function with respect to x on both sides, it means that we have to find derivative of y with respect to x, that is dy by dx is equal to, we assume this cos of tan x is, that is u, or simply we can consider x. So this, if it's assumed as x, it becomes sin x. The derivative of sin x is cos x. And x is nothing but cos of tan x. Now we have to differentiate this cos of tan x. The derivative of cos of tan x. Assume the tan x is v, then cos v derivative is minus sin v. V is tan x. Tan x. The derivative of tan x is secant square x. So the answer is minus cos tan x into sin of tan x into secant square x. So this is the derivative of a function y equals cos of tan x. If y x square sin of cos x square, so we differentiate these. So again, differentiate this function with respect to x. So then derivative of y with respect to x is dy by dx is equal to plus x square. Now sin is differentiated. Now we have to find derivative of cos x square. So cos x square. In this I will take x square is v. Cos v, derivative of cos v is minus sin v for x square. Then cos of x square is 2x. So the answer will be, we can write minus 2 cos x square into sin x square. This is the dy by dx. So I will take third example. If y is equal to tan of 2x plus 3, tan of 2x plus 3, then the value of dy by dx. So again we have to find derivative with respect to x. So differentiating the function with respect to x. So the derivative of y with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to the derivative. Now here what tan? The derivative of tan x, it is assumed it is x. The derivative of tan x is secant square x, x square. X means that 2x plus 3. The derivative of tan is what? X square x, x for 2x plus 3. Then you have to multiply the derivative of 2x plus 3. You have to find derivative of u. The what is derivative of 2x plus 3? Here plus is there. Keep as it is. 3 is constant. There is no x. There is no variable. Derivative of constant 0. And derivative of 2x. Here 2 is constant, but along with x, so it is a variable. 2x become variable. So now how to find derivative of 2x? Take 2 outside. Constant we keep outside. The derivative of x with respect to x is 1. So it will get 2 ones are 2 plus 0 2. 2 secant square 2 sec square 2x plus 3. So this is the derivative of y with respect to x. The example is if y sine root x. So we have to find if dy by dx. So differentiating this function, differentiate. So derivative of y with respect to dy by dx is equal to the derivative of sine. Here observe the sine and root x. First we have to find derivative of sine x. Sine x. The derivative of sine x is cos. Sine derivative is cos u. U for root x. Then into du by dx. Derivative of root x. Derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x. I applied like this. Root x can write x is to 1 by 2. Then we have to apply the derivative of x is to n formula. The derivative of x is to n is n x is to n minus 1. So since it become 1 by 2, x is to 1 by 2 minus 1. So it is 1 by 2 x is to, here LCM is 2, so it multiplied 1 minus 2 minus 1 by 2. So it is 1 by 2, this x is to minus 1 by 2 taken denominator. It plus 1 by 2, this is root x. So derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x. So now sine derivative is cos, the derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x. So the answer will be cos root x divided by 2 root x. The derivative of sine root x is cos root x by 2 root x. The fifth one. If y is equal to sine square x plus 5, then we have to find dy by dx. So then given function y equal to sine square x plus 5. This can also write like this, sine of x plus 5 bracket square whole square, we can write like this. So we differentiate these function with respect to x. Differentiating the function with respect to x. So derivative of y with respect to x is dy by dx is equal to, first remove the square, then first we have remove square. So for that we use formula x raised to n. Let this is u, then it is u raised to n. X raised to n, you know the x raised to n is n, x raised to n minus 1. So like this, u raised to n is n for 2, u is sine x plus 5 raised to n minus 1, 2 minus 1 is 1. The x raised to n, x square derivative to x. Then multiply derivative of sine x plus 5. So find derivative of u. Sine x plus 5 derivative is cos x plus 5. Derivative of sine x plus 5 is cos x plus 5. Now sin derivative is over cos, then we have to multiply derivative of x plus 5. Sin derivative, sin x, it is x plus 5 cos x. Then find derivative of x plus 5, that is x plus 5 plus derivative of 5 constant 0 and derivative of x is 1. So it become 2 sin of x plus 5 into cos x plus 5 into 1 plus 0 is 1. So it is of the form 2 sin theta cos theta. 2 sin theta cos theta. The theta is equal to sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta, so it will become sin 2 theta. 2 into theta x plus 5. So again we can simplify sin of 2x plus 2 into x 2x plus 2 5 the 10. So the answer will be dy by dx equal to sin 2x plus example number 7 6. So sec of tan root x, sec of tan root x, then dy by dx is, if y is dy by dx is equal to sec x, then derivative of sec u, this is I take u, sec u derivative, then find derivative of tan, then root x. A composition of functions, you know, sec derivative of sec x, the derivative of sec x, the derivative of sec x is sec x tan x. So now first I will take this, assume this is x, sec x, the derivative of sec x, x for tan root x, sec x into tan x, x for, so now sec x derivative completed. Now find derivative of tan root x. Tan root x. So tan x, I will assume root x is x. Assume root x is x. So tan x. Then derivative of tan x is x square x. X means root x. But root x, derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x. So the answer is sec of tan root x into tan root x into sec square root x divided by 2 root x. That is the answer. That is sixth. Y is equal to, so there. Then we want dy by dx. So given function y is equal to 2 into square root of cot x square. So first we apply here the derivative of constant into function, constant into f of x, because constant into variable is variable, so derivative is not 0, so keep constant outside, then differentiate the f of x. So here also same, equal to 2 is constant as it is, here variable is there, so cot x square become variable, root cot x square become variable. Then we first remove the square root, so take it is x from root x. Now what is derivative of root x? The derivative of root x is equal to 1 by 2 root x. The derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x. So 1 divided by 2 root x, x for cot x square. X means cot x square. Then derivative of root x is over 1 by 2 root x. Then find derivative of cot x square. So here in this cot and x square is there. So first x square I will take x, assume x, cot x. The derivative of cot x is minus cosec square. X means x square. So next cot x over minus cosec square x. Then derivative of x square is 2x. So one of the two cancels. So it is minus 2x. I will write first this minus 2x into cosec square x square whole divided by root of cot x square. So it will further simplify as minus 2x, this cosec theta, you know cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta from first year, and cot x is equal to cos theta by sin theta. So this can write cosec square x square is 1 by sin square x square whole divided by root of cot x square is square root of cos x square divided by square root of sin x square. So this is sin square x square, it will be denominator and this will be numerator. So numerator, this is denominator. So we have to apply the sin, here also sin x square, here also sin x square is there. So here power is 2, here power is 1 by 2. If you remove the square root, we get power is 1 by 2. So we can otherwise you can take sin square x square divided by sin x square whole raised to n, a raised to m minus n. You can write minus 2x divided by root of cos x square into the x square divided by sin x square whole raised to 1 by 2. So here power is 2, here power is 1 by 2. Subtract this. 2 minus 1 by 2 is 3 by 2. So this can write sin x square into root of sin x square. So sin x square divided by root sin x square. It means sin x square is 1 by 2. This become numerator, denominator. So sin square x square, a raised to m, that m is 2, here a raised to n, that is n is 1 by 2, a raised to m minus n, 2 minus 1 by 2, that is 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 can be write that is 1 into 1 plus 1 by 2. 1 plus 1 by 2 we can write. So it is power 1 and here 1 by 2. So this then dy by dx is equal to what now? Minus 2x by root cos x square into root sin x square is root of cos x square sin x square into separately sin x square. Then here again also you can write if you multiply and divide here root x 2x, it means root 2x, that is 2, sorry, only root 2 multiplying, and here root 2, here root 2. So this is 2 cos x square sin x square, 2 sin x cos x, it become minus 2 root 2 x, this is minus 2 root 2x, 2x square into sin x square. This you can further also simplify, or you can keep this much we can get 1 marks. So dy by dx equal to minus 2x square. This much is enough. So if you want to simplify,